And we told you guys ONDO was serious, didn't we? And it's funny. Everybody says, oh, well, like Mr. X, he doesn't know what he's talking about. And BitBoy, there's tokens. They got all these tokens. ONDO, they got so many, blah, 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 blah. Oh, there's going to be $30 trillion in the industry, but it's not really going to affect things. The price isn't going to go up. You guys are so dumb. I'm not a financial advisor. Some of the people that say stuff like that are so dumb. I've tried to say and tell you guys, the winners are obvious. It's obvious who the winners are. This is why I tell you that people like Caspa are a joke. Hey, there's no important investors in Caspa. Go find me one important investor in Caspa. Like, seriously. Go find me one on the level of Mark Andreessen or above. He's not even that important. Okay? Go find it. You won't. I tell you what Trump did is very interesting, because they bought Chainlink and they bought ONDO. And what's interesting about that is Pith is the Chainlink of Solana and beyond, right? It is the Chainlink of Solana and beyond. So what's really interesting is we saw ONDO, Pith, and SWI all pump over the last 24 hours. This was one of my top coins of the year. Pith was, obviously, as you know. And the fact is, Pith is better than Chainlink in every way, shape, and form. And so it's not as established in the mainstream yet. That's it. That's the only difference. Okay. Except for it's much better. When you look at Chainlink pumping because Trump bought it, this has set up Pith to be in the limelight. Perfect timing, isn't it? I make it the top coin video. Boom. We've got this Chainlink news. And I spoke with someone from Doros Labs just yesterday, actually. And I said, you know what? I think it's really great that Chainlink is pumping. You know what they said? Us too. That's essentially what they said. Like, because Chainlink getting out in the public persona is so good for Pith, because it's the only competitor. Don't listen to these people talk about these other. There's not another competitor. There's not another Oracle competitor right now. There isn't one. It's Pith, and that's the only one. Don't listen to anybody else. They're lying to you. They're just saying what they can do to pump coin. Okay, that's it. The point is, okay, Doros Labs is behind ONDO and Pith. Do you guys not get it yet? Do you not get it yet? Do you not understand yet? They're on ONDO and Pith. And now you got Trump coming into ONDO. Very, 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 very interesting. Okay. So now this World Liberty, obviously, are the ones that bought it. The rise of tokenized real world assets. So what this institutional buy-in means for ONDO's growth, okay, is that we are getting now, because remember this, here's what's different about World Liberty, okay? It's accredited investors only. That's institutionalized. That means that institutions are coming, okay? They're here, but now there is what you're going to see is, you're going to see what we see in a lot of sectors. And in crypto, it's very easy to explain what it looks like, which we're going to see the elites and the winners move to one side, and we're going to see the gamblers and the degens move to the other side, and they're going to get pushed further and further to the meme coins. And real investors and real accredited investors are going to get more pushed to the tokens that have the institutional investment. Your Solana, your SWI is. Your Bitcoin, obviously. Ethereum, believe it or not, still. Digital silver, I guess that you call it. And, you look at these coins, and now you've got ONDO that's on that list, right? ONDO is coming into its own. And people know about ONDO. It's surprising to me that the price is still not higher than it is, even though it's over $2. And then you drop down to, how low did it get to? Do you remember?
Like $1.80 something the other day? Or wait,
no.
Recently?
No, after the local low for like the last 6 months.
Like 50 cents, I think?
Yeah. Like, I think it's already 4x'd. You look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's what? 2x? It's about outperforming the market. And that's what we show you how to do on this channel. We show you how to outperform the market. Which coins have we had you guys in? ONDO, Pith, SWI, XRP, Dogecoin. Dogecoin from earlier in the year. The fact is, we've had you in the right coins if you've been listening.